Hi, in front of me is XIAOMI Mi Mix 2S, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply Apple layout on this device. Start by going to Play Store and typing iOS Launcher. Then you need to download this app from this developer. Now open it. Tap Allow and click Home button. Select iOS Launcher by tapping on it, but firstly you need to click on this dot next to Remember My Choice. So now I can click on it, tap Got it, and as you can see, iOS Launcher was applied successfully on my device. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!